What's up, guys? We are back again with another vlog that I haven't done one in so long. But today I'm about to do a video of this nice Scion FRS. I'm sure you've seen this on my Instagram. I posted it there, and we're gonna do a video of it, and I'm gonna film it with a GoPro. Right now I'm looking at a GoPro. I just bought one yesterday. It was on a Black Friday sale at Costco for $320, and it came with 2 batteries and a memory card, and you couldn't beat that. So I don't really have a nice DSLR camera, and I'm still learning about cameras and how to set it up and how to do the shutter speed, how to do the aperture and all that. And I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna buy a GoPro instead of a $2,000 camera. And this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna film the FRS with a GoPro.
Turn right. In 5 miles, turn left onto North Washington Street.
I'm not sure where this place is at, but I found this nice garage. 6 floors in this parking garage. And there's nobody here. Well, on the top floor there's nobody at all. But this is nice. Alright, let's see what Jay said. Well, which part is that? Let me check the address again, bro. Let me see. Oh, what? Oh, dang. Alright. I guess I was at the wrong location. The other parking garage that they're at is just down the street. So, we'll head there now. What's up, guys? We are here at the top of the parking garage. Finally, I actually just got done filming Jay's FRS. This GoPro, and I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. Hopefully the results are good. If not, then you're not gonna see this vlog. Maybe, I don't know. But now I want to do a video of this clean Honda Accord coupe. Check it out. Can you guys see it? There it is. Hey bro, can I do a video of your car too?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah? You think you can, after Jay's done, can you think you can park it like right, like in the middle over here? Say what's up, bro.
What's up, man?
Moses,
Hey,
right?
Yeah.
This is Joe.
Joe from Streetoutcast.
Nilo over there. Nilo, right? That's
Yeah,
his name?
Nilo, yeah.
Nilo. Yeah. Yeah, here with Streetoutcast. I think this is where I'll do the video for the Accord, because earlier I was doing the video over here with a FRS. So beautiful day out. I I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have the media mod for this GoPro. That's gonna be on the next list on buying. This is definitely a game changer because this GoPro is very light and compact, and I don't have to set up the gimbal, bust out a big camera, balance the gimbal. With this GoPro, it's already like balanced. Like so my settings for this GoPro, I'm on linear, is that how you say it, linear mode. So I'm not on the wide view mode for the camera. I was watching this video on YouTube on how to set up your GoPro for cinematics, and this is what he said on setting up your GoPro for that, and hopefully, you know, it's gonna look nice. But this is what we're filming on next with the GoPro. I'm not gonna reveal what I filmed it with till you guys see this vlog. We got Jay practicing his cinematography. Man, that is one clean Accord. So far the weather has been nice. Very, very sunny, not too windy. This truck though, it's got train horns. He pressed it earlier and I just felt the sound go through my body. That's crazy, yo. Man, I wonder how much gas he puts. But that would be nice when it's snowing and there's a blizzard. So I don't know if I mentioned who I'm with right now. I'm with Streetoutcast, just in case I didn't mention it. And these are some of their crew members. One of them is Jeremy, who owns this black Civic. I don't think it's an SI, I think it's just a Civic, but regardless, these Civics come turboed. And judging from the front of his car, you can see there's a front mount. So this gotta be a pretty quick Civic. Look at all the, you know, you got your front splitter, Got the side skirt extensions, a rear diffuser by Street Arrow. Street Arrow. Wow, what's pretty unique about this is he doesn't have the usual Type R Honda Civic emblem, but it looks like he has like a emblem where it's kind of like blood dripping, right? It's kind of unique. Really clean Civic. See that? He's got the same emblem right here. Pretty unique. This is his Instagram. Jeremy FK7. Oh man. So this, I've been growing the little stashery for a month, so no shave November, right? But anyway, so when I was filming the FRS, I don't really have the media mount on the GoPro, and what I used to get the sound from the FRS revving, I used one of these mics with the little furry ball thingy, and I connected it to my other camera, and we kind of just hit it from, you know, the video from the point of view, so you guys don't see that, but hopefully the video sounds nice, or not the video, the sound sounds nice from this little mic right here. Can't wait to show you guys this video. My GoPro is about to die. Hopefully the results comes out nice. If not, then that's okay. At least I have a camera that I can use for, you know, POV stuff, and maybe some rollers, attach it to a car. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Hopefully. And my nose is dripping. I'm sorry. Somebody hand me a tissue. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Alright, so we're with Jeremy, Joe, Jay, and Nilo. Streetoutcast right here. Hey, what's up, guys? We're at Joey, about to munch on these food, man. You know?
I want to join them. Bro. So I went to Park because it's halfway. It's in my Warrenville.
The food right here.